Well, hello, my friend. Welcome back to another episode of the From Chaos to Peace podcast, where I talk about how clutter is so much more than you think, and we put a spiritual twist on clearing that clutter to get organized. Thank you so much for allowing me back into your ears. Well, hello, my friend. I'm your host, Conny Graf. Welcome back to the podcast. So, this is a special episode because today I want you to put into practice what you hear me talk about here on the podcast. This is a short 5-minute do it with me clutter clearing session. Of course, if you're driving, walking, or on the go doing anything else while listening, keep listening so you know what to expect. But then please come back and actually do the 5-minute decluttering session with me. Deal? I will be right here waiting for you. Okay, so first, let's recap real quick my 3 key principles for successful decluttering. If you haven't listened to episode 253, you might want to go back to do that first because I talk in more depth about these 3 principles in that episode. But here is a quick summary. So my 3 principles for successfully clearing clutter and getting organized are 1. Break your decluttering into small, manageable chunks. 2. Start with the least personal area. And 3. A few minutes a day keeps the chaos away. These 3 principles work together holistically by starting small and tackling less personal areas first. You'll gain momentum and you build your decluttering muscle. Then, over time, you'll be better equipped to handle the more challenging areas. Also, it helps you change your daily habits, because if you don't change your habits, the chaos will just return back in days, weeks, or months. And I'm sure you agree. We don't want that. Okay, now with these 3 principles top of mind, let's start with the active part, the decluttering session. Also, by the way, this episode is the home edition. We clear some clutter in your home. If you want to declutter your office with me, listen to episode 254B. There's a bit of a difference between those 2 areas. That's why I made 2 different short episodes. Okay, but now without further ado, let's take action, because listening is great, but real change happens when we actually do something, even for only 5 minutes. So, step 1, grab a piece of paper and a pen, or open your notes app on your phone and quickly jot down 3 to 5 small areas in your home that feel cluttered. Again, these need to be small, manageable areas. Think like a drawer, a single shelf, or a corner in a room. Most of us know exactly where the clutter is, so just go with your first instinct. No overthinking allowed. And keep it simple. Write down only 3 to 5 spots, not 20. Go ahead, I wait. Got it? Okay, then we move on to step 2. Now, you take a quick look at this list that you just created and you choose the area that feels the least personal to you, or the easiest, like the low-hanging fruit. Not sure? Just go with your gut. There's really no wrong answer here. Then let's go over there and do some decluttering for 5 minutes. You can do it. I'm with you. So walk me over there. Okay, are we here? Step 3. You picked this small and not very personal area. So now you open the clock app on your phone or you use any other timer and you set an alarm for 5 minutes. And we start. But we don't pull everything out. No. You just cherry pick out what you can see right away that either doesn't belong in this area or is garbage or recycling and needs to be thrown away. So you make 2 separate piles. 1 pile for items that need to be thrown away or recycled, and 1 pile for items that don't belong here and need to be kept elsewhere. So let's do this for about 3 minutes in this area. I will play some uplifting music. While it plays, stay light and stay easy. Decluttering doesn't have to be stressful. Remember, this is an act of self-care and self-love. You're not just clearing physical clutter, you're making space for yourself, your well-being, and for a more peaceful home. How are you doing so far? Could you identify and cherry pick some items that don't belong here or need to be thrown away or recycled? Keep going. You are doing great. And hey, maybe hum along with the music. I am right here with you. Alright, time's almost up. Now take your pile of trash or recycling and toss it in the right bin. Then grab the items that belong somewhere else and put them in their proper places. And just like that, you're done. Look at you making progress. That's how we do it, one small step at a time. A few minutes a day keeps the chaos away. Now, you want to keep your list handy and tackle another small area tomorrow or the next day. And if you'd like some company while you declutter, just replay this episode. I will be right here with you, cheering you on. Thank you for joining me today and actually decluttering with me. That is a dream come true for me. Have an amazing week and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. See you next week. Take good care and stay safe.